Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do division big numbers step by step. Line up the dividend and divisor, divide the smallest set of leading digits that the divisor fits into, write the quotient digit, multiply and subtract, then bring down the next digit and repeat until no digits remain or a remainder is reached. And finally, check your work by multiplying quotient by divisor carefully. Start with a clear example using 356 divided by 27 to show each step aloud and visually. Identify how many times 27 fits into 43, place 1 in the quotient, subtract 27 to get 16, bring down 5 to make 165, divide 165 by 27 to get 6, multiply 6 by 27 equals 162, subtract to get remainder 3, bring down 6, continue until complete, and state final quotient and remainder clearly for confirmation. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more clear math walkthroughs. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading formulas and practice problems easy on the eyes, and it travels well so you can study anywhere. Check the description for the product link and other deals and truly useful offers. Enjoy the handy gadget tip. And now let's get back to the video. Watch for common mistakes like misaligning digits, forgetting to bring down a digit, or skipping the multiplication and subtraction checks during the process. Use estimation to predict quotient digits, write zeros in the quotient where necessary, and keep columns neat. If the remainder is larger than the divisor, continue dividing, and always verify by multiplying the quotient by the divisor and adding the remainder to confirm the original dividend was recovered.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.